Ladies and gentlemen, what we have right here is the CoolerMaster TD500 Mesh V2, the new and improved bigger version of the CoolerMaster TD500, which was one of CoolerMaster's best-selling and best-performing airflow cases. Now, I will tell you, I was very impressed with this case. In fact, the fact that it is bigger made it so much easier to work in. I mean, you now have support for two 360mm radiators, which means unlike the smaller little brother, now you can take all of the modern day hardware, like your 4000 series GPU, like you're seeing right here, or if you need to do dual 360mm for your water-cooled build, like I did with this 11th gen. But now in this case, you can do 12th gen and 13th gen. Now, on top of just making it bigger, they've also done things like improved toolless design, and we've now got a much more modern day front I/O, which is super rad. It still feels a little bit cheap, right? The drive cages, there's not a ton of room for cable management, but we wanted to build something that was simple, easy to use, didn't have a ton of moving parts, and was relatively inexpensive with a ton of power. And if you're interested in this build, then you can look for all the links down in the product description below. If you want to see this entire build step by step all the way through, make sure you check out our live stream of this exact same build, which you can actually watch right here. Anyway, guys, we hope you've enjoyed this Let's Build series. We've been modifying them and changing them, so make sure you give us your feedback down in the comments below. And while you're down there, make sure you slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post new videos as part of this Let's Build series. Anyway, guys, we hope you've enjoyed this. We look forward to seeing you on the next one.